In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit from the Undeposited Funds account in QuickBooks Online. This is a crucial step in ensuring your financial records are accurate and up to date. Depositing from the Undeposited Funds account is essential for managing your incoming payments and making sure they properly reflect in your bank account. So, let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the top left of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. Here, you're going to click on the New button. This is your starting point for creating almost anything new in QuickBooks, from invoices to deposits. Once you click on New, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this list, you'll want to select Bank Deposit. This action will open up a new page where the magic happens. On this new page, QuickBooks will do you the favor of automatically suggesting all the funds that are currently sitting in your Undeposited Funds account. This feature makes it super convenient as it gathers all those small payments or checks you've yet to deposit and displays them for you in one place. Now, your task is pretty straightforward. What you need to do is look at this list and check the boxes next to each fund that you wish to deposit. Think of this step as gathering everything you want to move from your undeposited funds directly into your bank account. After you've carefully selected each item you want to deposit, the next thing to ensure is that you have chosen the correct bank account where these funds should be deposited. This step is vital because you want to make sure they end up in the right place for your bookkeeping records. Take a moment to double-check you've clicked the correct account from the drop-down menu provided. Once you've verified everything is in order and your selections are correct, the next step is incredibly simple. All you need to do is click on the Save and New button. This action will finalize your transaction, effectively moving the funds from your Undeposited Funds account to the bank account you've designated. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully deposited from the Undeposited Funds account in QuickBooks Online. Taking these steps ensures your financial transactions are well organized and accurately reflected in your bank account records. It's a small but mighty task that significantly contributes to maintaining the precision of your company's financial management. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more QuickBooks tips and techniques to keep your accounting practices smooth and efficient.